everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Boardmanship Institute points to tie to an event registration. This is really important if your members receive any BI points when they attend an event. And this ensures that we can award them points afterwards when they do attend. In order to set up your BI points, you are going to go to your left-hand side here and find the Boardmanship Institute tab. Click the down bar, and we're going to go to this little graduation cap that says events. Please note that not every SCSBA staff person will have access to the Boardmanship Institute tab. You will see this Boardmanship Institute tab if you are an admin on the Engagifii platform. If you do not see this tab and you believe you should be seeing it, please let me know and we can work something out. Okay, so once you hit the Events tab here, you're going to click Add Event. This is what's going to tie the BI points to the event itself. So you're going to do the name of the event. Today I'm going to set up Day at the Capitol. And you're going to select the event type. So this is advocacy. Here you're going to put in your points in hours, so it's 5 points per 2 hours, and hit save. Once your Boardmanship Institute event has been created, please note, this is very important, please don't get this event mixed up with this event. This event with this guy on the podium, this is to actually set up your event registration. This event here with the graduation cap, that is for specifically the Boardmanship Institute event point awarding system. Once you've set up your event in the Boardmanship Institute tab, click the function tab right underneath it with the little clock. This is what is going to allow you to tie the BI event points itself to the event here. So this is going to create your function. Click Create Function on that blue tab and select your events here. You can just search it. I'm just going to do 2026 day, and it should show up right away. Select your function type. Usually we just do it for training, but if you have any specific function type you would like to include, any language, please let me know. Function name, it's going to repeat the same thing as the event. That's typically what we want, so people, when they register, they don't get confused. Here you're going to put in your time. This is going to correspond with the event time and date itself. So, sorry, I clicked the year. So we are going to go to April 22nd. And I believe we'll just put 8 a.m. I believe it starts at maybe 8:30. I'm just going to end around, we'll just do 5. All right. Single day class. And hit save. All right. Once that has been set up, you have finished completing up your BI points. So the only other thing that you can do is, sorry, I gotta move my little Zoom screen here. All right. Once you have successfully saved everything, you have completed setting up your Boardmanship Institute event points. So that is pretty much it. It is very different from how we did it on Ember. There's a lot more additional steps that you kind of have to walk through, but it is pretty straightforward and simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. But now I'm going to just walk you through on any edits that you want to make or general information about your BI Institute events and points. So once you finish creating the event, you can click onto it. From here, it's going to show you the general details, which includes the event type and course metrics. You'll see certified instructors here. The way Engagify originally created this function for is for classes. So real classes with professors, instructors. So please ignore that section. It's not something that we use, but I just want to clear it up in case anyone had questions about it. Here you're going to see the functions. This is what ties your BI points, how we award BI points to the registration event itself. It's kind of confusing, but you'll kind of see more once we get into creating your event registration, and you'll see how this function plays into that. But here you'll have access to see who exactly is attending. You'll see the attendees pop up here. You see the training, all that information. Your points and hours. Participants is going to be the same stuff. It's going to be whoever registered once they select this function. And documents, this is a new feature that Engagify just added. We don't use it. So yeah, that is pretty much everything. If you want to edit anything, click this blue button here. You can put an event description if you would like. Once you're all done making your edits, hit save, and you are all set. If you have any questions with setting up your Boardmanship Institute event, as well as just the general maintenance on it, like editing it, or just accessing your participants list, please let me know. This was just a quick run through on how to set up everything.